Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business mood branding post using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and bring in a strong branding image that represents the business mood. I take a short pause here because mood decides how people feel about a brand. First, I duplicate the layer to work safely and professionally. Now I open Camera Raw filter and slowly start adding film grain, very gently. I stop for a moment and let the texture settle into the image. I carefully adjust the grain size so it feels cinematic and mature. I zoom in to check edges, text areas, and key business elements. I slightly lower the grain amount to keep clarity and trust intact. Then I zoom out